An insurance adjuster, under the law, is not allowed to tell an injured person that they're better off settling with the insurance company without a lawyer. That's an illegal practice of law. They're giving legal advice to individuals, and it's improper under Michigan law and probably the law in all 50 states. They're simply not allowed to do that. Insurance adjusters do this all the time, where they will tell individuals that they're better off without an attorney and that they'll get more money if they don't hire an attorney. And the injured person has to remember the insurance adjuster is not their friend. The insurance adjuster works for an insurance company who is trying to make as much money as possible. The insurance adjuster will say what it takes to settle and resolve cases for as little money as possible. If an injured person accepts a small settlement offer from an insurance adjuster and signs a release, they're not allowed to go back later in time and try to seek more money. Once the release has been signed, they're stuck. It's a binding contract, and whatever they settled the case for, that's what they're stuck receiving. And they're not allowed to come back 6 months, year later, year and a half, and say, well, hey, that's not enough money, I want more money. No, they're stuck with what the settlement is. Insurance companies all the time try to put provisions and sneak different provisions into settlement agreements in order to trick the person and try to gain benefits that were not actually agreed upon with the injured person. As an attorney, even someone who's been doing this for 15 years, I see it all the time where insurance companies and defense attorneys will give me releases, and I'm someone who's been doing this for many, many years, and they will give me, try to sneak things against me. And every time I get a release, I look through it several times and double check and make sure that my clients aren't giving up benefits that they should not be giving up in a settlement. A person should not sign a release with an insurance company for a settlement without having a lawyer review it first. Even if it's a small settlement where the attorney is not even needed to represent the individual as far as making the claim in settling the case, it's still absolutely important to have an attorney look over and review the release that is being signed to make sure that certain rights are not being given up by the injured person.